What's up, everybody? It's Eddie Dodgen with Cooking is Amazing, and today we're going to take all these recipes and we're going to give you an apple pie cocktail for you to have at Halloween and at Thanksgiving this year. All right, everybody, let's make a cocktail. First thing you need to do is take a half a tablespoon of honey and a half a tablespoon of hot water and go ahead and mix that up and let it dissolve. Once it is dissolved, let that cool. You do not want to put this hot mixture into your drink. So let it cool off, set it to the side. Do this about 20 minutes before you start. As you can see, the honey's all dissolved in there. This is nice and cool. I'm ready to start making it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add this to my shaker. I know y'all love my cocktail shaker. I don't have one. We haven't got our stuff yet. So this is what I'm using. So we're going to make the best with it. So we're putting the honey mixture in. Bring that over so y'all can see some. Now we're going to add apple cider. You can use apple juice. You can use apple cider. I chose to use apple cider, so that's what I'm adding in mine. And then apple schnapps you can use, or you can just go ahead and use Fireball. And that was 3 ounces of apple cider that I put in there, and I'm putting in, the recipe calls for 3/4 of an ounce, but I wanted to use an ounce. So that's what I've got going in. Now I'm going to shake this up. I've got a paper towel that's wet in this dish. I'm just going to wet the rim. And in this one, I've got cinnamon sugar. You can mix cinnamon and regular sugar, or just do like I do, the McCormick cinnamon sugar. It's so much easier, in my personal opinion, just to have that on hand. So now, that's nice and coated. I don't know if y'all can see that well. Got that cinnamon sugar. It's going to add a little bit of a sweet kick to this drink. Now, we're going to bring in our mixture. Just be careful, you don't want to mess up the rim of that glass after you just got it nice and coated. Tell you what, when I get my shaker, it's going to be great. Now we're going to add in champagne. 3 ounces champagne of your choice. My wife loves Moscato, so Moscato it is. Now, I took an apple, chopped it up, made some nice chunks. I'm going to add a few of those in there. Now, we're just going to give that a nice little stir. All right, so there you have it. The sparkling apple pie cocktail. Let's give it a taste. Oh, wow. That is delicious. Y'all got to make that for yourself, folks. Well, folks, that's going to wrap us up for today. I want to say thank you for all your support. Thank you for stopping in and all the comments you've been giving me. Really appreciate all the feedback that every one of y'all have given me throughout this process. As you can see, that's our apple pie cocktail. Great for the fall, great for Halloween, great for Thanksgiving and this time of year and this cool weather. It just goes with everything. I mean, you think of this time of year, you think of the apple pies and everything, and that's exactly what this tastes like. But I want to leave y'all with this. Please drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive. There are so many people out there that if you will just pick up your phone and just call them, it don't matter what time of night it is, they will be so glad that you did. Everyone's here to help you and everyone's here to care for you. If you're out and you have had too many to drink, I don't care if you've had just one, don't get behind the wheel. Call somebody, get picked up, and get home safe. Love y'all. Thank y'all for watching.